Hello everyone and welcome to this short video. My name is Michael and welcome to Trillium.com. In this short video, I'm going to go over somewhere or a place that I believe that you will be successful. You find success in your journey and you're looking to learn how to make money online through affiliate marketing. Maybe you've just started and you want to get some more, you want to educate yourself, you want to move on to the next level, and you may have some ideas about how to promote with Amazon, how to learn traffic methods, how to do Facebook marketing, how to do YouTube marketing, how to do content marketing. All of this you will find inside of this website that I'm going to tell you about. This website it's been around since it's been on for a while. It's over 18 years since it's been online, and you find a lot of success here. I'm a member here and I've learned so much from this company, from everyone inside of Wealthy Affiliate. You will find this community empowering. You'll find this community worth your time. You'll find this training very rewarding. As I said, I've been a part of this community for some time now, and there are many people in here from all walks of life, all age groups, retirees, firefighters, nurses, former judges are in this place doing exactly what you're about to do. So I'm going to log in now so you can see inside of this program. There's a free version of this site and there's a paid version of the site. Now to get started, you basically come here and you can sign up to this program. So there's a link below this site or above this video. Click on that link. It's going to take you to this site, and you will get to log into the site and create a free account. I am part of the affiliate community, so I will earn a small commission when you do sign up through my link. Just want to put that out there and be transparent as best I can, so you can get the service that you need or the training that you need to get. I'm going to log in here right now. I'm going to log into the site. And this is what I see when I log into this page. We can see people are commenting, people are discussing, people are at all different levels inside of Wealthy Affiliate, and you will as well. Now, what I want you to do is to think about what you want to do. Do you want to learn YouTube marketing? Do you want to learn Facebook marketing? Do you want to learn how to promote Amazon products? Do you want to become highly successful at affiliate marketing? Do you have an idea when you want to expand on, you want to create a business around? Now, this is a place where you're going to find that. Now, this place has so much content, so much video, so much training that there'll be no other place for you to go. You'll always find yourself coming back to this place. Now, when you sign up for the 7-day free trial, you're going to get access to a bunch of things, all right, where you'll be able to ask questions on this. This is live chat. You'll be able to ask questions here. Let me see if I see someone who has not fully signed up yet, but are here asking questions. If I see anyone yet. I don't see anyone yet. Now, the individuals with the purple and the crowns, these are members who have signed up, who have made a commitment to become a part of Wealthy Affiliate, and they have made the decision to jump in and get their idea, get their business rolling. Now, I know that's what you want to do, so that's why I'm bringing this to you. I've tried to show different companies to other people, but I always find myself coming back to Wealthy Affiliate because the value here is so much, and you'll get so much training from this program. Now, what you're going to do when you get to the site, you're going to first get a free account. That's number one thing. Set up your profile. See, my profile is here. You set up a profile. All right, my profile is here. You will set up a profile. You add pictures. All right, you set a money goal. Set a money goal, and then you can post. You post your money goal, and you have people commenting just over here. People commenting on mine. All right. So that's what I want you to do. Come to this site. You set up a free account. set how much you like to make a month, how much money you like to make, ideally in your lifestyle. How much per hours are you willing to put into this business? All right. I've been a part of this business since 2017, so I know how this is, and I've been a part here for a while. All right. So I have no problem telling people about this website because I've been a member this long. So I know the value is here. If it was not valuable to me, I would have been left this site a long time ago. So you can see since 2017, so I've been here a minute, and I appreciate and I love every single minute of this. All right. So once you set up your free account, again, set up your details here, and you're gonna get access to this training over here that we have set up. There's a couple of trainers that you're gonna get access to. There are 5 courses here with 50 lessons. All right, so we can see the first lesson you will get access to, I believe, is this one here. So everyone starts here. Everyone start at this beginning lesson number 1, so you can get a full scope of what affiliate marketing, how to make money from affiliate marketing, how to build your website, how to get traffic to your website. So we're starting you from ground 1, from ground 0. So if you have some idea, great. But if you have no idea about affiliate marketing, you just want to get your feet wet, you want to get started, then no problem. Get your free account and just come and take a look. All right, trust me, you will find this resource valuable to you, to your online education when it comes to affiliate marketing. So you'll choose an interest, build a site, get traffic, and how to monetize your website. There's a video here you'll be able to watch, and you'll see how Kyle talk about this. Let me see if I can turn this video on so you can see.
Hey there, Kyle here from Wealthy Affiliate. I'm the co-founder with my business partner, Karsten. We have been running Wealthy Affiliate for the last 17 years, helping people just like yourself create a successful business online and do so from scratch. So irrespective of how much experience you have within the online world, we can definitely help. You could be completely green to this, and we're gonna have you up and running with a website in any niche or passion or interest by 4 lessons. So you're going to be able to navigate through this pretty quickly, and within a couple hours you're going to have the foundation of your business up and running. So it's not sort of an extensive process to get up and running, and we've simplified all of this through the education, through the tools, through the refinement and polishing of our community over the last, like I said, 17 years, which we've been operating Wealthy Affiliate and sort of leading the industry in the online business world. I really know that you're going to love your experience here and enjoy your journey to success as you move forward through the platform. I just wanted to give you a quick walk around through the platform to get you up and running right away. So when you log in, you're going to see something that looks just like this. On the right hand side, there is a live chat. You can jump in that, introduce yourself. You can see someone just introduce themselves. I happen to be in there as well, and I got back to them. We're an active community. Over 2.7 million people have joined Wealthy Affiliate over the years, and there's lots of experts here available within the community, and you'll see this chat thread move very quickly at times, but never be afraid to jump in there, ask questions, and introduce yourself. It's a good way to start your networking process with fellow entrepreneurs here at Wealthy Affiliate. At the very top, you're going to see a getting started module. You can access and bring this to the top at any time, by clicking the steps to get started, and it's just going to pop it to the top like this. And this is the module that you sort of need to utilize to follow through the training here. The second step in this training is a start training button. The first step is actually this video, so you can watch this video as many times as you want if you want a refresher. But if you click start training, this is going to jump you directly into your training. I'll just click it here just to show you. And here you go. You have 5 lessons here. The first lesson is this one, and it's going to walk you through the process here, acquaint you with community, tell you what you're going to be learning and how you'll be building a business. Second step is understanding the process of making money online. How does it work? How are you going to be building a business and building a successful business online? So I'm going to be walking you through that process. Step 3 is going to be choosing your niche. And this is a step that people, it seems to overwhelm people at first, but we have artificial intelligence tools here at Wealthy Affiliate to help you out with that. And really, there's not going to be a lot of stress because I'm going to be available to you to help you through that process as well as the community you're going to be able to bounce ideas off of as you choose the direction or the niche of your business. And then the 4th step is going to be you building your website. Every business starts off with a blank canvas, and that is your website. It is the foundation of your business, and all successful businesses online have a website. So by lesson 4 and within probably an hour and a half of your time or less, you're going to be up and running with your own business. So work through this at your own pace. And also ask questions if you ever feel stuck. You can scroll down to the bottom. There's questions down here where you can communicate with community members and they'll give you a hand. And if you want to ever go back to the dashboard, you can click the WA icon here or the home button. And this will take you back to your dashboard. Another thing you can do is set up your account, upload an image, add a bio, set some goals for yourself. I recommend you do this when you get a chance. Once you have a profile, it leads to better communication as you have an avatar here within the platform, and it tends to lead to better help and also better networking capabilities. So I recommend this. You can scroll through the dashboard. You have a bit of a limited dashboard as a starter member. We have a premium and premium plus membership that you don't need to decide on right now, but they're available and it unlocks the entire community. You can see there's a lot going on here, but I really want you to focus on the getting started training initially. As you jump into subsequent levels of the training or within a premium or premium plus membership down the road, you're going to have access to a plethora of training and education, ongoing classes throughout the week, core training modules that extend 50 lessons in length that are going to get you in a position where you can scale and grow a very successful business online. Not to mention all the research tools, artificial intelligence tools that can help you guide and navigate the online world with much more efficiency. So something we pride ourselves on here at Wealthy Affiliate is that we've developed a platform where you don't need to go off and buy 100 different things, all these upsells. Everything is included here within the community and within the platform, from the education, from the tools and research platforms, from the mentorship and the ongoing support, the networking capabilities, websites and hosting. Everything is included here under one roof. So if you do decide to, upgrade your membership down the road, that's all you're gonna have to pay. And we also pride ourselves on being the most cost efficient in the industry. So you can learn about that later. You can click the get the offer and understand more about it. We're also going to be providing you with a free.com domain if you ever do decide to upgrade. So that's something that you should be aware of as well. But first, I want you to jump into a live chat if you have not done so already. Second to that, go through the training. This training bar will progress as you go through the training and you check off the tasks at the end of every training lesson. I'm just going to pop back in here. As you go through the training, check off these tasks and you can see it's completed. I'm ready to jump into lesson 2 here. And if I go back to the dashboard, you're going to see that there's now progress within the training. So make your way through all the training. You're going to have a website. You're going to have the foundation of your business up and running before you know it. Lots of help here within the community. And when you're done this lesson, jump into the next lesson because we're going to be learning all about the Make Money process. Again, it's wonderful to have you here. I'm really glad that you found Wealthy Affiliates. I think that you're going to love your experience here, love the platform, love the community. We truly are a pay-it-forward platform, and you have all the help you'll ever need to succeed and grow a business to any level online, whatever you're willing to work for. So yeah, if you have any questions about anything so far, jump into the comments or the live chat and we'll help you out. Wonderful to have you here. Cheers.
So there you have it. As you can see, we have the introduction of this platform that you can literally build your own business on. So right now, if you're ready to get started, click on the link below. As Kyle said before, set up your profile and go into the live chat and start asking questions. You may bump into me there. That'll be great. I'll be glad to answer your questions. As I said before, we are here to help you. We're here to see you succeed, and everyone is looking forward to meet you. Again, if you're looking to build a business online, affiliate marketing, whatever you're looking for, as Kyle said, everything is under one roof. Click on the link below. Come and join the community. As I said before, it's no charge to sign up. It's free of charge to sign up. You can upgrade later, as Kyle said. No push, no rush, no anything. I believe it's a great community, as he said before. I'll be glad to have you. And again, come on down to Wealthy Affiliate. Come and get your training going, and I'll happy to meet you and be glad to answer any question that you have. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Take care now.